Hey! It snowed!
No, it's not a good thing.
We're working in snow. It's not the most fantastic thing to work in. All the sheep aren't impressed. Can you see them?
Oh, there.
Jon Snow, everybody.
All the puns intended. All of them.
These are his eyes.
Art.
Oh, yeah, sure. Look at that. Oh.
Have you seen those sculptures where like people have just like balanced loads of rocks on each other?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But instead of rocks, we have snow. Wonder how long it's going to stay.
Forever. Until the boys come and steal us.
Boys.
They've already had like 6 snowball fights already. It's getting really difficult to get really small snowballs on time. Oh yeah, talent.
Oh yeah, look at that artwork.
Shit talent.
The ponies aren't very happy.
Dylan!
Billy!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Is it cold, Tyler?
Yes, yes it is.